So people have been asking me what what her favorite treats are, and they're these Brown's Tropical Carnival they're coated sunflower seeds basically, with a crunchy shell. And she's going crazy right now. But listen, B. Okay, hold on a second. What I like to do is I will put them in this little cube. Yeah. Oh, no. That's cheating. That's cheating. And I put them in there. And then she has to get them out. Right? You got it open. Good job. Oh. And out comes the treats. There you go. Come on. Come on. You missed one. Come on. Go get that one. There you go. Good job.